Hi, hello, good afternoon. I'm here right now in the middle of the road. I'm doing jog and walk.
Wow.
Sarap ng hangin, guys. Sarap ng hangin sobra. The nature is really great. Pero ako lang yata mag-isa dito, guys. I'm listening to music, pawala sa stress. Meron pala akong kasama, guys. Couple sila. Dito. Matagal na rin ako hindi guys. Hindi nakapag-jog and walk. So, ngayon, balik tayo ulit, guys. Kasi, despite our busy life, busy schedules, we have to take time for ourselves as well. Sarap ng sunshine. Sarap ng hangin, guys. Sarap talaga ng hangin. Mamaya magja-jog ako after this. Meron din akong kasama dito, guys. Kasi nga siya, parang farm yung katabi niya sa daan. Meron ding maraming cows. Meron din carabao doon, no? Carabao. Nako, pinapawi.
I just wanna feel your love.
Hanggang sa susunod, guys. Magja-jog muna ako, guys. Tapos ako nag-warm up Ganda, guys.
Boy, you got me fond of, yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me.
Bye!
Let me live.
Magre-record ako ulit mamaya, guys. Magja-jog na ako. Thank you. See you next time.
Now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave it.